ito na guys, we got new wheels. Pero sa unahan, ito naman tayo sa safety. Ayan, we got electric fan. So the next thing is let's pull this. So medyo mahirap guys, ewan ko ba tayo matanggal. But isa pa, in order natin ito, kulang ng isa, yung pang dito side dito. Paano to guys ha? It's thinking until we thinking. Well, the thinking, the koring king koking kong. Okay, what's the other one? Aside from this one, get this steel bits. How good as that? Ito naman, ibang paraan aside dyan.